Welcome to Artisan Environmental Testing shop. From here, you can decide if you would like to order the full asbestos testing kit, which includes all personal protective equipment you'll need, or if you already have your own personal protective equipment, you can select just the sample analysis option. Select the service you require and use the drop-down box to select how many samples you want to take. We recommend one sample for each location and for each material type. Next, click Add to Basket. Click on your basket in the top right-hand corner and you can see all the items in your basket. Select Proceed to Checkout and enter your billing and delivery details, remembering to check the T's and C's box. Click Place Order. This will take you to the payment page where you can choose your payment method and add your payment details. You'll receive an email to let you know that your order has been successfully placed, and an additional email will let you know when we've dispatched your order. If you order before 2 p.m, we'll dispatch the order same day by first class Royal Mail post.